friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Sydney and I'm so happy you stopped by. Today I am focusing on deep cleaning my fridge and organizing it because it had honestly been months since I last gave it a good cleaning. So I hope you guys enjoy and get inspired. Be sure to stay tuned and watch until the end to see the major transformation. And let's get into the video.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air.
So I am starting off with taking everything out first, and then seeing what items are expired and arranging the remaining similar items together. That way I can quickly store them in the fridge once I am done cleaning the fridge.
So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. Is ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
You interrupt me and I interrupt you. A shame. When did we start losing and stop giving? I remember I gave it time. All of my time. Now my mind's lost in its thoughts. I want you want only you. But my heart's all tied up in knots. Wanna release it. 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 Wanna release.
So if you are still watching, be sure to leave a thumbs up down below. It just lets me know that you guys are enjoying these types of videos. I hope you guys are enjoying the upbeat music and seeing the transformation happen. It had honestly, like I mentioned, been a while since I deep cleaned my fridge, so I was just kind of dreading tackling this, which is why it was kind of bad. But once I started, I could already tell it was making me feel relieved that I was finally getting this done after putting it off for so long. Let me know down in the comments, how often do you deep clean your fridge? Do you do it weekly, once a month, every couple of months? Let me know down below.
Wanna release it, wanna release it. Wanna release it, wanna release it. Wanna release it, wanna release it. So we jumped, falling fast, said till we die, I'm gonna be there with you. So we jumped, side by side, unafraid of what we can. Wanna release it, wanna release it. Wanna release it, wanna release.
We collide, we break down, caving in to our doubts. Faces filled with sadness. When words are said, we'll regret. I can see the fire that we made just to
So I am going to be showing a before just to give you guys a reminder of how my fridge was, and an after.
break up, just to start all over, even though we know this is the hard way better. We can't be.
This was the day after I cleaned it. I decided to show you guys how I organized it, how I had it organized, because I felt it was pretty bare and we didn't really have any food, so made sure to stock our fridge, and it just looks so much better. There's just something about a clean and organized fridge that just makes me so happy. This was definitely needed, and I definitely need to and want to make sure I don't let it get this bad again.
Let's go back, let's start again to a place a long time.
Alright you guys, so this was the first time I actually gave my freezer a good deep clean, and I'm kind of embarrassed to admit, but I am just being honest with you guys. I didn't feel it needed it until now, since I had no idea what was in here, and I just felt like we were just throwing things in all the time without knowing what we had. So you guys will see in just a bit just how much food was expired. So here's your reminder to also clean your fridge and just make sure you have food that's not expired.
This is the hard way. This is the hard way. Why did I stay? I should be leaving. Hear what I say without even speaking. My compass is off. Why did I choose you? I'm just too lost, I need to cut loose. I keep it in my head, I keep it locked away. My friends think that this is over. Guess it's the price I paid. Played with the enemy. Now I got you on my shoulders. Let go and let me love. let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again.
Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again.
Wanna let go, I wanna lose you. Fall out of love as you're supposed to. This was a phase that I was a mistake, but I can't move on with something in these days. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again.
Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again.
Alright guys, so now that the inside of my fridge and freezer is clean, I wanted to go ahead and be sure to wipe down the outside of it as well. I hadn't cleaned the top of the fridge in a long while and it was starting to look way too cluttered, so I am doing that really quick and it was super satisfying wiping away all of that dust.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. 'Cause there is only one thing on my mind. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away.
If you made it this far into my video, thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. It truly helps my channel out and it lets YouTube know that you guys enjoy my content. So thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed and got inspired because this took longer than I thought it would with trying to do other things because mom life. But it definitely feels good to have it done and out of the way. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey.